Sometimes you may need to download many applications at once as a batch, and you would like to do it from the trusted source. One of the best ways to do it in Windows 10 is using Kneanite.com. To do that, let's launch the browser, and you can navigate to Kneanite.com. And here, on this site, you see a list of free or open source applications, and you can select which ones you would like to download. Once you select what you want, it packages them and allows you to download and install them all at once. And it also sets them up for automatic updates. This is basically a way of packaging applications to quickly download them from the trusted source, which is very important, and also set them up so you can continuously get updates when updates come out. I typically select browsers here because I like to use Chrome browser. And Firefox, select the free compression utility, which is very helpful for Windows 7 zip. I select VLC Media Player, which has a lot more capabilities than built-in Windows Player, and typically select Notepad++. Your interests might be different, so definitely explore these tools and see what's available. But let's go through the step and download. To proceed, what you want to do is select everything that you need and then click Get Your Kneanite. Kneanite packages the applications and creates the executable, which you can trust because this is a reputable source and a lot of people use this. You click Run on this executable. Windows prompts you, do you really want to trust Kneanite? And you click Yes here. And after that, it goes and installs all these applications that you have selected. Once installation is complete, you can click Close. All applications are installed. You see VLC Media Player, Notepad++, and both browsers. Now what you can do, you can position them for effective launch. You can launch them from here, from Start menu, or if you launch it once, you can pin it by doing right mouse click and then selecting Pin to Taskbar option. Now even if you close Chrome browser, the icon is still there and you can quickly relaunch it again. What are the other features of Windows 10 you use on a daily basis? Can you please post them in the comments of this video so we all can learn? Thank you very much. If this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button in your browser. Also, please help your friends to learn this topic faster by sharing this video with them. And if you would like to be the first one to know about new videos to help you reach your goals faster, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.